Kan long sisa ke jingkerku na kebentah paidbah nong song snong ke jela ki bosong basa hagi jakasar ha ke ba ke sorkar jela lengba ke tanat penroisor kala pli paidbah ya ka e-municipal service kaban long kum si benta ban pensuk paidbah hagi babun ki benta ya kani ka e-municipal service la pli paidbah do Bah Sniawbhalang dhar upadai menteri ke sorkar kebal long menta ke singi ha yojana bahawan ha ke jedon lang dengkat bat ki he officer ke tanat penroi sorkar bat kum juru jong ka tanat municipal nak liang jong ba dhar ulapan pau ba ke jingpli paidbah ya kani kan pensuk ik paidbah ha ka baidai kajinyo ya ko umbam umdi kajinyo lesen ha khayi pateng bat kumjuru ya ko rukom register ki sernot jengki khulung badangkha bat kumjuru ya ki brio ki blaklat hakani ka si laidon langru CEO ka municipal uba B Solia uba Gideon Kharmaplang IAS uba director ka urban affairs bat ki he officer ka NIC lembat kwe ki he officer sarkar.
Urban affairs department is through the municipal that we are launching the e-municipal services, which are those like distribution of water, provisions of water by tanker, and granting of business license, which also include the renewal of the same, and payments of property tax and registration of birth and death and extra. So it is very pleased as a Minister of Urban Affairs to inform you that we know that as of today there is so many systems are coming up, and the municipal has ready to launch these e-services so that this will make our people easier, and there is no need for them to come physically to the respective office in order to avail all these facilities. So I am very great to inform you, and special thanks to the government of India for supporting in this process. And from my side, I will encourage the people of the state to come forward and to take the service. Hopefully, if we are recall back from the past that maybe small issue it take 3, 4, 5 days, and maybe with the launching of these e-services, I think in no time, in a day or in hours, service can be done properly to our people. So I'm very great, especially when the NIC people. So hopefully there will be a good coordination between the municipal officers and officer and the NIC people. So hopefully I trust on all of you with this launching of this new system today. I think our people, especially in the town area, even though if we are comparing in terms of fiscally, whatever services we are doing, my experience, we face really difficult, especially from the traffic also, and from so many factors are there. And with this new system today, I think with these e-services, hopefully everything will fall into place. And I request to all the officers who are in this line, please do it properly, in such a way, in such a manner, so that at least the people of the state will get a good services, so that everything will be falls in line.